Topic for today, redheads. Have I ever? Not till today. In just a few short hours, it's about to go down. I heard a lot of good things about redheads now. And maybe one or two nightmares, but I don't think that was on the redhead. This redhead I picked up, ooh, nice. You want to see? What's up? It's your boy back in this thing, baby. Man, what a beautiful day. It is crispy out here today, but it's beautiful. Not too many clouds, sun breaks, and temperature of about 33. Ooh. So, anyways, today is a well-anticipated day. Very exciting for all my Jeep WJ folks out there, or just Jeep folks, or off-road folks in general. You know, sometimes when we steering or in our rigs, we got a little bit of play in the steering where, you know, you can do like this and still go straight. Yeah. So we got a little something today that's gonna help us fix that. And that is this bad boy right here. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we got a new steering gearbox. This one is made from Redhead Steering Gears, which is local to me here in Washington, so woohoo! And yeah, highly anticipated day. Now, I would love to have put this bad boy in myself, but there's a couple things. One, a couple of the tools necessary I don't have. I mean, I could probably just go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's and rent the tools, and try and get it done that way. Another thing is, in my garage, I have another car or cars in there, and one of them's kind of down right now, so trying to get that one out, put the Jeep in there, blah, blah, blah. So, I'm going down to a little shop down here in Auburn. I'll show you guys once I get there. Went there in the summer, late last summer, for a event they had down there that was sponsored by Yukon Gear and Axle, so that was kind of dope. Just happened to randomly hear about the event on Instagram or Facebook or something like that. Met some cool people down there. So once I get down there, I'll show you guys around a little bit, or at least on the outside. I don't know if they'll let me show you in the shop or anything like that. But we on our way. So we in the traffic right now, and yeah, whew, I can't wait. I hope this thing, you know, go in real nice and smooth, and the results are what I'm looking for. I'm trying to get rid of some of this play in the steering wheel and just overall steering performance in general. And this bad boy is supposed to be a little beefier, bigger bearings. It's, you know, all, you know, what they do is they take old steering gearbox cores and they gut them and basically refurbish them, but outfit them with bigger, beefier, better parts. So let's give it a whirl, and I'll let you know how it goes. Stay tuned, you dig? Yeah, buddy. So I'm down here at the shop, as you can see behind me. This is the Auburn Car Repair and Off-Road. A buddy of mine recommended this place to me as well, so having that recommendation with the event I came to last summer just made me want to come down here and check these guys out. Real cool guys. My man John is the one inside of there who's hooking me up. And while I'm here outside waiting for my Jeep to get some attention, I figured I'd show you some of the rigs that's out here in front. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's the Redhead Steering Gearbox, ready to go get slapped in. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if I can hold him up for you. This bad boy heavy, heavy Chevy. But yeah, it's pretty, very pretty. You know. So something you guys can see, I opted for a ported version. That way later on when I want to do some hydro assist, I'll be able to do that. So this is where the stock lines come in from the pump, and here are the 2 ports that they have already manufactured for you by. So yeah, this is very exciting. So this was basically a stock gearbox. Like I said, they gut it, they take all the internals out, and they refit it with some beefier parts, bearings, seals, and all that jazz to make it better than the stock version. So this, in theory, should help out with any play or a lot of the play I have in my steering. It might not take 100% of it out. There's other components in the steering, obviously, but this is a good step towards helping fix that. I already have a Troll-forged, upgraded heavy duty steering, so this is just going to pair with that real nicely. So yeah, that's that bad boy, ready to get slapped in. Yee! So I haven't made it to that level where I can go in the shop and walk around and tell you guys all about it, introduce you guys to everybody, but hopefully with more work that I get done after this trip, you know, build that rapport and can do something like that. But yeah, man, I'm so happy to get the steering gearbox put in. So, you know, like I said before, a lot of play, so I'm excited to see what this gearbox is going to do. So I'll show you the end results and go from there and give you my first initial review after road testing, and then you know, in a future video let you guys know how I really feel about it. So without further ado, I'm gonna let these guys take over and do the dang thing. All right, chill. Alright, so now I'm debating if I want to go get something to eat, get an Uber ride, because I came down here on my solo dolo. But as I figure this out, I'm about to go chill in the waiting room, so check it out. I might just go ahead and, let me see. Shoot, I might just go ahead and parlay on the couch for a minute. You know, saw some logs. Hope I don't disturb the shot. So question for you guys. Built, not bought. Now, when I think of built, not bought, you know what I mean? It's, you know, buying a vehicle that was stock or, you know, outfitted with a couple of mods or whatever, but you end up outfitting it for you. You put on different modifications and, you know, get your hands in there and try to do a lot of the work yourself. And so my question is, you know, if I take a car to a shop and have some of these modifications put on by a shop, does that still qualify me for built, or does that get into the bot kind of range? Because for me, if you know, get into the bot scenario, that means you just bought a rig or vehicle or whatever already custom done, and you don't need to do anything, or you won't do anything else to the vehicle. So I still feel like I'm classified as built, you know what I'm saying, because I'm still building the Jeep. There's still a lot of things and fabrications and modifications I want to do to it, so make sure you stick around for that. And yeah, so let me know, am I still in the built range? Am I still in the built category? I feel like I am, so, you know, let me know. Again, a lot of the things on my Jeep I've done, you know, busted all these knuckles and, you know, got in there and wrenched all around my Jeep. But there's a few things that I had to shop do. So, like I said, I'm still building it or getting it built. So, built category, I think. But let me know what you think. All right, so job's all done. Let's check it out, see what it looked like. Okay, he's in there. Hopefully you guys can see. The Redhead is in the building. Okay, looks good, looks juicy. Okay. Just taking a look, you know, to see where the ports are and everything. Okay, yeah, you can see those. So if I ever get the hydro system, when I do, they're gonna be ready now. Okay, looks good. I'm sure it's solid, you know what I mean? Man, it's a beautiful day out here, you know what I mean? Glad it's in the sun didn't came out, because it was chilly this morning. All right, now it's time for a little road test. All right, so road test time, dog. Man, instantly I feel a whole lot of confidence in this rig. Yeah, steering is nice and tight. There's no play back and forth, you know what I mean? Let me just show you. You know, this, you know, you can still turn it a little bit, and it's hard to see on camera, but you can feel the Jeep going back and forth as I turn it. Beforehand, you do all this, and you don't feel no movement, you just be going straight. So, I mean, absolutely a lot better, a whole lot better, you know what I mean? Let's go ahead and make a turn real quick. Yeah, instant response in the turning. There's no play, I'm driving straight. Now, if you're looking at my steering wheel, I still need an alignment. It's a little, you know, to the left. But, handling, oh yeah, real smooth. Yeah, we like that. Definitely worth it, definitely worth it. So for right now, I'm just using the gearbox as is. I'm not using the ports, as you can see, or, you know, as I showed you earlier. Hopefully, when we upgrade the axles, get some Dana 44s at least up under this bad boy, then we'll go ahead and do the hydro assist. But for right now, I think this will work for this application. Very happy so far. I'll give you guys some feedback later on down the line, you know what I mean? And we'll just go from there. Sorry for the window being down, and I didn't think about that. Hopefully y'all heard all of that. But yeah, we like. Now we about to see how this bad boy handle on the freeway. Here we go. So another thing is, I do got to get an alignment though, because I believe I have some caster issues. And what makes me say that is, like, you know, if I turn and I let go of the wheel, it doesn't pull right back to center, or the wheels don't line straight back up and go forward. So I gotta turn the wheel a little bit to go straight again. Not having to do with why my steering wheel is off to the left. It was doing that before. So it's a little tight, but once I get all that, I'm gonna do that after I do my front wheel bearings, which I'll, you know, show you guys on an upcoming video. But nevertheless, just a back and forth play. A lot of it's gone, you know. Driving straight on the freeway, you know what I mean? I don't have to keep fixing my point, you know, my center point in the lane. Good, you know what I mean? I don't have to keep, you know, trying to, I ain't gotta do none of that. So, very, very happy that I don't have to do that anymore. Feels a lot safer. And yeah, Redhead Steering Gears. They're in Auburn, Washington. Check them out. If you think you need to do an upgrade, you know, there's some other options out there. You know, I haven't tried. I think there's a blue top and you know, some other gearboxes. I know you can send your gearbox into bleepingjeep.com and they'll like, you know, tear it down and rebuild it, and they'll even port it for you and things like that. So there's options out there. I just went with this one, local company, you know what I mean? So check it out. And so far so good. Like I said, I'll give you guys another review as I, you know, break this bad boy in. All right, so far so good though. All right, so to wrap this thing up, oh yeah, check out the new little bill, you know what I'm saying? Representing my dogs, getting ready for the season, you know what I mean? Anyways, yeah, to wrap this up, very happy with, you know, just driving and feeling the upgrade of the Redhead Steering Gearbox. Like I said, light years better than what I had in here. The stock one was probably good, and then as soon as I got lifted, bigger tires, it being almost 20 years old, yeah, it wasn't really up for the gig anymore. So had I just got a stock one again, brand new or rebuilt, yeah, but you know, I'm not gonna stay stock on anything if I have to replace it. So, you know, that good old excuse to beef it up, you know what I mean? So yeah, very pleased with how it's handling so far. I've been doing a little bit of driving today, not a whole lot, but yeah, I'll give you guys an update on, you know, how it breaks in and things like that. I don't really have a lot to compare it to except for the old worn stock gearbox. So, you know, somebody asked me about how does it match up to the big bore PSC one. I don't know, but yeah, I like it, and lot of good feel to the steering wheel now. So anyways, I know this wasn't a whole complex install and all that kind of stuff. I just wanted to show you guys what I was working with, what I was getting, you know, upgraded, and then give you a short little review. You know, any questions, comments, or if you got any questions, put them in the comments, and let me know what you guys think, or what kind of steering gearbox you guys run. Other than that, man, hope you liked the video. I know this was short and sweet. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, so we can grow this thing a little bigger, and you know, reach out to more of you guys. And yeah, man, we got some good weather hopefully coming up, so if you guys out here in the PNW, let me know. Let's link up, let's do something. And man, y'all know what to do. Be easy. Yo. So to go ahead and wrap up this video, golly. Yeah, let's go ahead and wrap up this video. And I just, oh my